Merry Christmas, everyone. My name is Jeff Jones, and I am a spokesman for theboxman.com, where we have changed the way that you should watch TV. I'm also a spokesman of our new website called thestreammachines.com. But in this video, I've been seeing a lot of comments on Amazon and some other folks in our YouTube, comments where they're saying that their Formuler Z11 Pro Max is not working and they don't know what to do about it. Well, I'm going to go over some things on the Formuler Z11 Pro Max that should help you out and other things that I found out. So let's jump right. Hey everybody, this is Jeff. I'll be really quick. This is not going to be one of those long drawn out videos, even though those are good too. I am a spokesman again for theboxman.com, where we've changed the way that you should watch TV. If you're on our YouTube channel or any of our other platforms, thank you for choosing to support us and watch this video. The latest craze in the Formuler media device arena is the Z11 Pro and the Z11 Pro Max. And I've just been hearing a lot of different people say they're struggling with, getting this up and running, or maybe the global search is not working and then Formular support is no help. So I just wanted to address a couple of things and maybe set proper expectations for those that that may want to purchase this or, get it right away. If you don't have the proper expectations, then you're kind of setting yourself up for failure. And hopefully I can be a stopgap or a bridge to help you get to the other side, because I'm going to say this up front. The Z11 Pro from Formular or the Formular Z11 Pro Max is not for everyone. And I resell them, but it's for a certain type of streamer, all right? For instance, let's say you're brand new to streaming and you want to jump in and get this unit. This is not the unit for you. I would say the Me Cool KM1 Classic is a great unit for you or a newer person to get their feet wet, if you will, about streaming. And that's on another video, but that's what I wanted to address. These units are for advanced streamers. I'm just going to say it. They are. Because they're very, very expensive to some. They're of value to me. Well, I've been streaming like this for over 10 years. So what's easy for me is not easy for you, or what's hard for you is, vice versa. So let's just set the precedent. If you're new to streaming and you just want to jump in and get this unit, I'm not going to tell you no at all. Go get it. But let's have proper expectations. Now, when you purchase the Formular Z11 or the Z11 Pro Max, they are completely empty. These units work well with other services, YouTube TV, Fubo TV, IPTV. They work well with those type of services. So you have to have your own services, all right? So if you think that this unit is already going to be set up, pre-set up where you plug and play, wrong thinking. That might be the reason why you're having trouble, because your expectation is everything's done for me, everything's all set up, I didn't have to do anything. Well, number one, that's illegal. If you receive a unit where you didn't have to go through any disclaimers or anything like that, that person that sold it to you sold you a pre-set up unit. That's illegal by law. We don't do that. We teach you how to stream. We educate you how to use what you purchase from us through videos and other means. Our support team can remote into your unit and help you do so many things. But you, as the consumer, are going to take ownership and learn your investment. We're not going to set it up for you because we don't break the law that way. All right. So let's set proper expectations. Know what you're buying. If you're looking for something that you want set up, don't come to Formular. They're completely empty. But man, are they worth it? Are they worth it? Oh my gosh. They're completely worth it. I mean, look at my desktop. It's pretty awesome. Now, I'm going to address where a customer asked me a question. He said, Jeff, how do I put the background? You see I have the tiger in the background? Well, I'm going to address that. So what you want to do is you have to get a thumb drive. You have to put images on it. Now, I get my images from Google, make sure they're not copywritten, protected, or I have a service that I get from the makers of Snagit and different things like that. So I have a service that I pay for different pictures, like this tiger picture. Once you have it on the thumb drive, you're going to go down here to launch your settings. Press OK. You're then going to go down to advanced, and you're going to have that person press OK. Then you're going to connect on wallpaper. Then you're going to see where it's at. So if I have the Gumby wallpaper, which is there, I can go to default B. You can either do it from a local storage, which if I click on this right now, I have a local storage that's not internal. I'll open that right there. You can see that I have orange flames right there burning. That's a JPG. I have the Riddler JPG. I have the Marvel wallpaper JPG. I could use any one of those pictures to change my background from my thumb drive. I left it exactly the way I wanted it with the tiger. But that's how you do the wallpaper. My point is, Z11s or Z10, Z11s let you set up the unit the way you want. Really, really cool. All right. So if you're having trouble on finding things, let me show you what I mean. I went on Amazon and someone said, oh my God, I can't find the global search. Well, I'm on AccuWeather. I'll block it out because I'm on AccuWeather. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hit the green button on your remote. It's going to pull up this menu right here. You can see that I've already started a global search for The Rock, news, Alabama, Yellowstone, crime, The Rookie, NBA, Your Honor. So I'm going to go right on down to Rock. When I select this, it is going to begin to search just like this. And everything that's on your unit will pop up. Now, if you're looking at this on YouTube, this is blurred out. Everything on my unit is popping up. So the TV channels and other services, even down to the radio. I have radio with the word rock in it. Monsters of Rock, Dash Radio, Grunge Rock, Church of Rock. I mean, there's all kinds of iHeartRadio, Light Rock, iHeartRadio, Rock Workout. Whatever you have on your device as far as services will pop up. So to do a global search, you make sure you're on a channel, you press the green button, you spell out what you're looking for, it will search your complete unit and pull up that information that you wanted to look for. So that is the power of the unit, one of them, where you can globally search anything on all the different platforms of your unit. You can personalize your unit by putting great background pictures and so much more. You can even go to, I've always shown this, customize your channels, turn on all the channels that you were watching, every single thing that you were watching. So if I hit this back button here, all those channels are above. You've seen I was on AccuWeather right here. I was watching a TV series earlier. So everything that's on my unit will pop up and populate. But this is my unit. And that is the power of having this type of unit, because you have the ability to turn things on and the ability to turn them off. Where did I go? Customize channels. And I would just turn this off, and this off, and it goes back to what it was before. That's the power of the Formuler. Now, I'm going to end the video by saying Merry Christmas to you. And I hope this was helpful for a little bit. So please, if you're interested in a Formuler, the last thing I'm going to say, if I can, if you buy it from Amazon and you come to us, we are not going to help you set it up. You didn't spend money with me. So unless you're on subscription and pay for the support subscription, we're not going to help you set it up. I've had several people buy off Amazon and say, hey, how do I set that up? That's not me. You should have bought it from me and you would have received instructional videos, instructional downloads, not downloads, but PDFs that we provide. We provide you the support systems that you need to work on all the boxes that we resell, so you're not without help. All right? So do yourself a favor. Please, please, please make sure that you're the type of person that needs the Z11. A person that has been streaming for a while, or maybe you need a different formula. Give us a call, text us. We'd be happy to help you. I wish you guys a happy Merry Christmas. A really happy Merry Christmas? Merry Christmas. And